little while back, or a couple of months ago, we had great discussions about carving polystyrene. So there were wires and all sorts of things. So someone had recommended this nifty little gadget. And while I say nifty, incredibly dangerous as well. This blade is so sharp, it's not funny. And the best rule is actually in this book, which is about personal safety, and I'll read it to you. Stay alert, watch what you are doing, and use common sense when operating this power tool. So really, we need to know it's sharp, be sensible. We're cutting stuff that might have poisonous fumes, so we need to be sensible about that. This is incredibly hot, incredibly sharp, so don't have kids around, don't have bits and pieces flying everywhere. I'll just go turn it on now and let's see what it does. Oh, brilliant. I'm cutting, oh, it's very smelly, so you will want a mask. Oh, this is like a hot knife through butter. I'm cutting up packing for the owl that I've got to send off. Oh, you have no idea how easy this is to cut. Here's the other bit, but like I say, it's quite smelly. And of course, follow the instructions. I might turn it down to halfway and see what difference that makes. Oh, it does. It absolutely stinks. Oh my gosh. This is going to make summer sculpting so easy. And I need a nice big board to keep the owl protected, so I'm going to slice through here. Maybe I'll go through the back and you can see. This is awesome. Oh, all you sculptors out there will want one of these. You can see the smoke. So you will want a mask on. I'm outdoors, so there's plenty of ventilation. We've got a breeze going and it's about to rain, but that is a lot of smoke there. And of course, read all the instructions, because we're talking a serious tool here, and it's fantastic. I can't wait till I do some sculpting now. Packing all ready to go. Brilliant. So I'm going to use the clean it off when it's cold technique, and I'll just go unplug that right now, and I'm not going to put it down while I do that.